Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how I would invest if I had only $100 today. Let's talk about where I would put that amount of money if I already knew the basics of investing. Because you watch my channel, you already recognize the opportunities and also the risks. We already did a lot of beginner talking on this channel, so let's go a little bit pro today. But a huge disclaimer here. I am not financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Don't do what I do if you don't take responsibility for yourself. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm gonna show you what I would do. And this is aggressive strategy and not suitable for everyone. Alright, we got a disclaimer, so I can finally tell you what I really think. Okay, let's talk about concentration and diversification first. I've seen so many times people with that amount of money, like $100, $500, even $1,000, investing in super diversified portfolios. And for me, it just doesn't make any sense. Diversification is very important for protecting wealth. But if you want to build substantial wealth, you need to concentrate. Basically, if you are younger and you have less money, you should concentrate more, you should take more risks because you don't have so much to lose. If you are older and have already big amount of money, alright, diversification is the way here. Because diversification protects your wealth. But protecting $100 doesn't make any sense. If worst case scenario happens and you lose all of it, you can earn it back very easily, right? These small amounts of money. So that's why I would concentrate, take bigger risks with bigger upside potential. Let's talk about me personally right now. I already accumulated a decent amount of wealth and I definitely cannot lose it all. But on the other hand, I'm still willing to take bigger risks because I still didn't achieve my goal. So I have it today something like 50-50. I'm super diversified with my 50% of my net worth, but still quite risky with the other half, like risky stocks, risky private investments, crypto and so on. Because if the worst scenario happens, I lose maximum 50% and it doesn't change my life if I lose 50% of my net worth. I would be living the same life I live now. But that potential against that risk is for me very interesting because I can still gain a lot and change my life even more. So this is how I have it today. But what would I do if I had only $100 or $1,000? I would only concentrate. I would try to find the best opportunity with the lowest risk possible, but the biggest upside potential. And then I would go all in that investment. I would concentrate all of that money in one investment. But don't be mistaken, we are not talking about casino. We are still talking about investments. We are talking about properly analyzing opportunities. And because of that knowledge, we can recognize the best one with highest upside and lowest risk possible. We still don't want to lose it all. We want to gain 10x or 15x, 20x. And knowledge about investing will help you recognize that opportunities. It's all about risk-reward ratio. This is the key. You need to find the investment with the best risk-reward ratio and put it there, baby. So yes, what we are talking on this channel for beginners is still important, but I wanted to go a little bit pro today, baby. I didn't want to be exact in this video because the idea is much more important, but it wouldn't be a whole video if I wouldn't say my opinion right now. So, if I would be in that situation right now, today, that if I had only low amount of money, what is possible to earn back very quickly if you lose it, I would invest that money in Bitcoin. Because right now I personally recognize this as the best risk-reward asset in current market. There is huge upside and still lower and lower risks while institutional investors are buying in. Monetary policy of governments and printing so much money, so inflation plays for Bitcoin as well. And stock market for me doesn't look so strong for this year. Many overvalued companies, and if interest rates go up, there will be definitely valuation reset. So I see there right now bigger risks than in Bitcoin. There is some chance with super cycle with Bitcoin already this year, so there is chance to 10x this money already this year. And even if it's not happening, there is huge chance that the price will be much higher in next 4 years in the next bull run. And if you would do it already when the price was at 17,000, you would be already 4x, right? Now the risk is much bigger than it was before, but still I would do this. But once again, guys, this video is not about Bitcoin. But if I'm telling what I would do with that low amount of money, I would do definitely this. And why you shouldn't over-diversify yourself if you don't have so much money. In diversified portfolios, you would be very lucky if you hit 10x in 10 years. So you would wait from $100 to $1,000 10 years, it doesn't make sense. Even from $1,000 to $10,000, it doesn't make sense. And we are talking about 10x in 10 years. It's above average return. It's like 25% annualized return per year. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, is making 20%. So you would have even lower amount of money from that, okay? So guys, learn about investing because this is for free, because knowledge can help you to recognize these opportunities so you won't be scared of bigger risks. If you have bigger confidence in investment and you don't have so much to lose. An important thing, follow me on Twitter, guys. Why the hell you don't follow me there? I'm putting there so much knowledge and so much information for free so you can be better and better investor. It can really help you so much, so follow me on Twitter, guys. Viral Eric, okay? If you don't even come to my Twitter where you can get information for free, you are lost cause, man. If you don't do even this. If you don't wanna put that little energy for getting more information, investing will never work for you, okay? This is the small step what you can do right now. Via Eric Twitter, alright? By the way, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't learn about diversification and so on, because more money you have, more you will use it. But you need to get somewhere first, right? And also sign up for ShareSite. I have a link in the description, sharesite.com/EricInvestor. It is the best tracker for your portfolio. You can track everything there. Stocks, crypto, everything, currency, everything. And it's important to track your portfolio because you can there see if you are beating the market. It's important thing. If you will be not able to beat the market with your concentrated portfolio, you are doing it wrong. And you could just buy index fund and do nothing, learn nothing, and get better returns, okay? So it's important to track your portfolio against benchmark, against the market, S&P 500, for example. So if you really mean it with your investment future, you need to track your portfolio. You will get 4 months for free with my link if you purchase annual program, all right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you got some value from me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye!